Is the boat so big that you don't really feel like any of the motions
You
on
do
the
feel
boat?
emotions.
So were there ever any points where you kind of got a little like seasick, so to speak, or okay?
There was some people in the group that did get seasick and had to take some medicines and all that. But yeah, and there was times where you felt the boat really moving, and then there was times where you didn't. Like even when you're in the club dancing, sometimes you felt the boat move. You're
Really?
like, yeah,
So if it's a big enough wave and shit, you're like,
Yeah.
oh shit.
yeah.